All right, so just like the title said, we're gonna do the always popular, but not really, flight test as far as hovering goes. So I have the Mavic Air, I have the Mavic Pro, and then I also have the Mavic 2. And this is just really a flight test to see how long the batteries last, hovering. I know that there's a bunch of other tests out there as far as, you know, getting more distance or more flight time if you're actually moving the aircraft at a slow pace, but that's really hard to test. This is the only thing that's kind of controllable. Shout out to Drones Made Easy for getting me a battery, a Mavic Pro battery that only has 8 charges on it. That way it's a little bit more consistent. I have I think about 6 or 7 charges on my Mavic 2, and then my Mavic Air is about the same thing. So all my other Mavic batteries have about 40 to 50 charges on them. So shout out to them for loaning me this so that I can do this test as accurate as possible, so that all batteries have about the same amount of recharges on them. Let's power them all on and get them ready for flight. All right, so we are all set up here. Let me power on my app. About to be connected. All right, so we got the Mavic Air. We have the Mavic 2, Mavic Pro. Let's see how well they do on the hover test. First one going out. Open these up. Then we have the Mavic Air. It's already open. Auto takeoff. There you go. At 10 minutes in, we are at Mavic Pro at 64%. The Mavic 2 at 64% as well. And then we have the Mavic Air at 41%. The Mavic Pro Platinum comes down at 22.41, and right behind it is the Mavic 2 Pro at just under 23 minutes. I'm also bringing these down around 21 to 22% remaining battery, which means I probably could have squeezed out another minute or two as far as flight time goes. Now, some might be upset that you're not getting that true 31 minutes as marketed, but understand those are also under ideal conditions, and the way DJI tests it can vary. So the fact that it gets the same amount of flight time as a Platinum, I'm actually really impressed with that, considering the Mavic 2 Pro is a lot heavier. As always, if you guys got value from my video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. This is Aldrin Stasio with FlightPath.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.